There is a massive gap between unboxing the machine and actually feeling confident enough to use it. When you're done with the basic manual, that's where the real anxiety begins. It's time to step out of fear and into the fun zone. I know you've invested thousands of dollars in an amazing Longarm quilting machine with incredible software, but there is a massive gap between unboxing the machine and actually feeling confident enough to use it. I'm Marie Bard Curtis, founder and head instructor of the Quilted Poodle Academy. After 30 years as a scientist, I traded my lab coat for a Longarm quilting machine. Shortly after, as many of you can relate, my first experience with vendor training was both frustrating and disappointing. I also noticed that many of the quilters in the class were equally underwhelmed. So you know what I did? I built the training program that I desperately needed, and I wished I'd had when I started Longarming, and now it's helping quilters everywhere. So what did you think about the training?
I loved it. What I liked about it, that you explained it so that I could just really understand it. I could take it back with me. You make it seem so simple, like a child could understand it. You take it step by step. If I don't understand, I can ask you a question, and you'll point it out to me and show me where to look at, what I need to look at, and explain it to me. You just break it down, really simple. I enjoy your class.
Did I tell you enough about QCT 6 Plus?
I think so. You did a great job, Marie. Thank you so much.
That was very clear and very
Yes.
logical. The presentation going in that order made it easy to follow. When they jump around from, oh, well, over here, no, then over here, oh, wait, tell me about how to do this, and then you jump into something else, and then you come back. I love this way of having it just
Yeah.
in a.
That's why I like your YouTube videos. It's like perfect. Thank you so much.
Mastering Power Panto bridges that knowledge gap. We've replaced the standard, exhausting weekend boot camp approach with practical 10-minute micro lessons. We'll introduce you to our pause and practice methodology, ensuring that you can exactly perform the technique you just learned. It's time to step out of fear and into the fun zone. I'll serve the tennis ball over the net, and your job is to grab it and run with it. And I know I'm mixing sports metaphors, but that's okay. We are breaking the mold here. Now it's your turn to unlock the best Power Panto training experience on the planet, at least in my opinion.